Okay, class. It's the first time I've used this program, so hopefully it goes well. But what I want to teach you today is how to set up a live account and be able to use the Microsoft web apps, so that way you can create presentations or Word documents and share them with your group members. As more often than not, our classes require for you to be in a group. It's always a good idea to be able to collaborate with your file and with the web apps, be able to use them, simultaneously on the same site versus each individual member having their own file and then adding to it. This now file will be on the internet, and then you can access the internet from home, or work or school, and be able to change that file. And each member can record those changes within the web apps. So the first thing is to go to Hotmail or www.live.com, and you can see that here in the upper left-hand corner. I had a Hotmail account I've had for a long time. What you can do is just click sign in, sign in or create or sign up now here at the bottom, and create yourself an account. Even if you have a Google account or a Yahoo account, you can still get a live account by using your email address through Yahoo and be able to go in here and still be able to use the free Microsoft web apps. So I'm just going to type in my password. And then it'll come to my home screen. But what I want you to notice is the link up here at the top for SkyDrive. Now with the live account, you're able to access SkyDrive. At SkyDrive you can actually keep up to 25 gigabytes of information, or files. So there's basically a one-stop shop place to put your files for both work, school, or personal files, for that matter, if you need to keep them permanently on the internet. So here I've got several folders that I've opened up that I've created for myself. You can create a group. You can do all kinds of different things within the live account. And if you notice up here, it says create. We have create Word document, create an Excel workbook, create a PowerPoint presentation, or create a OneNote notebook. Now for me, I usually generally use OneNote notebook for my notes, especially when I do research, because then I'm able to actually open up notebook and copy and paste things into the notebook, and it'll automatically record the date and time that I accessed it, plus automatically give me the URL, so I don't have to remember it at a later date if I have to go back and get something else from that specific site, and especially when I go to site documents. So it's a great place and a great tool to use is this Microsoft OneNote. So I encourage all of you to use that program. But for what I want to do here now is I want to create a PowerPoint, and I'm going to just click on the PowerPoint, and it says Presentation 1. And I'm just going to say Create. So now it's going to create this PowerPoint, and it should open up the web app. And as it opens up the web app, it'll look pretty much just like PowerPoint at school. We have it on the school computers, or if you have it at home on your computer at home. For those of you that don't have Word or the Office programs at home, this is a great tool for you to be able to use, and it's free. It's just like Google Docs. Google Docs is another great program that you can be able to, with Google Drive, you'll be able to store your information and again collaborate with your classmates and your teacher. So really, when you share the document with your classmates, you should probably share it with your teacher. That way your teacher can actually give you some input along the way as well. But for me, we're just going to create just a simple document. Choose the first one. We're going to choose Apply. Pretty much this looks just like PowerPoint. All the way up on the side over here, if we go to File, it gives us an area to share that file. We'll say Share with people. And then at that point, you can type in your classmates' email addresses. And then at that point, they can, basically send it to edit, and they can edit the documents.